Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Honor 200 Lite. So you have to start by opening your internet browser and now click on search bar and you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click on this three dots icon, then go to settings and click on search engine, and here in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then you can click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.